So there's all sorts of other abbreviations too, isn't there? There's INDV for individual. Oh. Here's an interesting one. Antemeridium. It is 8:30 in the antemeridium. What on earth am I talking about here? Right, well, antemeridium means AM, okay? It is 8 AM in the morning. That is an abbreviation which is commonly used. You in fact you never, well, okay, let's change it. There's no such thing as never. You very rarely hear anybody talking about the antemeridium. Just the same as postmeridium, which stands for, postmeridium stands for PM. It is 7 o'clock postmeridium. It is 7 PM. That there is a well used abbreviation, commonly used abbreviation, and that doesn't have to be explained. Right, do you all know what a SAT is? If you're at school, you'll sit a SAT test, right? What does it mean? Scholastic Aptitude Test. That's what a SAT is. It's a Scholastic Aptitude Test. Alright. Other abbreviations, there's week, that can get shortened down to WK. Home, HM. If you're talking about an adjective, and the abbreviated form, ADJ. So that is what we mean by an abbreviation. The full stop after Mr. there. Actually, that isn't necessary. You can actually drop it, because most people don't put a full stop after a name like that. For example, Doctor or Co. Legs & Co. used to be a very popular group. Legs & Co. Co is an abbreviation for company. Very popular abbreviation, that Co. Right, so you don't actually need to put the full stop there. Although it's correct with the full stop there, you can actually drop it. Just like with all the other examples I gave you there, no need for a full stop after the abbreviation. But it is important with certain abbreviations to actually put in brackets what the abbreviation is.